Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer and I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed to me. So today, you already know from the title, I was really feeling like a grungy but still glam, dark, smoky look, and I feel like we got there pretty easily. I did showcase the Juvia'S Warrior 2 palette. This is such a pretty palette. If you checked out my recent Ulta haul, this was included, and I actually picked up two of them, one for me and one for a future giveaway. So a few things really quickly. My hair looks insane. We talk about it a little bit later in the video. And number two, I rammed my nose ring back in. If you have been subscribed to me for a while or watched some of my other videos, I recently started nursing school and they're very weird and strict about how you're supposed to look. They want you to have no piercings, no visible tattoos, you can't wear a lot of makeup, you have to have your hair pulled back. They tell you what you wear all the way down to your freaking socks. So because of that, I took out my nose ring and I had a retainer in for a while, a couple weeks, and then I had in just a regular stud. But you can tell probably from my nose ring, my nose is actually gauged out. It's stretched a little bit, not a ton, and I didn't intend for it to be stretched. It just happened very soon, like a couple of days after I got it pierced. We had a boo-boo where I worked at the time and I got punched in the face, and when I got punched, he like caught my nose ring and pulled it. Therefore, it kind of tore my piercing hole. And ever since then, smaller like gauged studs or hoops even, but especially the studs, would fall through. The stud I've had in the last couple of videos, you can barely see it because it's falling through, but I realized that every time they see me in person, I have to have a mask on. How will they know? They're not gonna know. They have no idea I have a nose ring in. So I put my nose ring back in and I feel so much more like me. I'm super happy I have it back. Small little things make big giant differences. So also, nobody will probably ask, but the main thing that happened here with my makeup was I just got this new band t-shirt. If you've been here for a while, I pretty much live in band t-shirts or hoodies. It's just how I am. And I actually found this in the men's section at Walmart, which is one of my favorite places to find my graphic t-shirts. They have such cool t-shirts and they're like $6. So I did purchase this Kiss one and I was like, you know what? I'm going back into like my grungy, dark, alt kind of stage. I am slowly trying to redo my bedroom to reflect that. I've always been a little bit creepy, dark, alt kind of bitch, and I'm living my best life over here. So I'm gonna stop rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below if you do enjoy it, and you can always say hey to me down in the comments. I literally 99.9% of the time reply to you. I really like getting to talk to you guys. So I'm gonna really stop rambling this time. Let's get on into the video, guys. Okay, so if you watched my last video, which should be an Ulta haul, I got lots of good new goodies, and I want to play around with them. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in C1. So big ol' fucking applicator. I'm gonna apply this to my eyelids. I don't have anything else on my face except for the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I use that. I don't know why, actually. I always prime my face before I do my eyes. I figured this would be a good concealer to try to prep my lashes with because it does actually say it's crease proof. So we're gonna see. I feel very grungy today, and thankfully I actually have a palette, a new palette. This is the Warrior 2 by Juvia'S that It has a lot of fun grungy colors in it. So now that our lids are primed and we are ready to go, I'm actually gonna start with, oh no, I'm not gonna be able to say any of these names right. I'm gonna start off with Shawata, this matte black, y'all. That's what I'm gonna start with, and I'm actually going to, wow, that looks super black. I've actually never used a Juvia'S Place eyeshadow before. Wow, that is super black. Okay, good. I mean, that is what we're wanting, and I'm just pressing this onto my lid and in a rough half moon kind of situation shape. Does that make sense? I am trying to get it all the way down to my lash line, but I have a serious issue with not getting it all. This does not have to be perfect. Man, that is like the best matte black that I've used in years. Okay, now that that's on, this is probably, hopefully, if it goes to plan, a very simple look. Now I'm gonna take a small blending brush and I'm gonna take Kafuru. This mid-tone brown. I'm so sorry if I'm saying this shit wrong. And I'm gonna place it right in that crease and buff it with the black. Does not have to be perfect in any way, shape, or form. And finally, with another clean blending brush, I'm gonna take Yodit, a super light brown, and I'm going to just barely blend out the Kafuru shade. And just kind of blend everything together. Okay, I'm actually gonna go back in with that packing brush and just lightly pat black on top of everything again and blend it out. Tis looking a little patchy. I just want a good gradient. No. It's looking a little black-eye-ish. We're gonna figure this out. I'm gonna hop off the screen like super fast and do my other eye, clean up the little bit of fallout I actually have. That was pretty good for all the dark colors we just used. And I'm gonna throw on my face makeup and you know the drill. I'll be right back. Oh, okay. That was a wild ride. Coffee break. Big coffee today. Big. Huge. If you know what those like few weird quotes are, what movie that's from, we can be friends. Okay, so we're back. We have my face on, my eyebrows on. My eyebrows came in a little crazy, but it's okay. I'm just gonna spruce up the blend here and try to even up the eyeshadow. It never comes out completely even. Totes my goats fine. So, like I said, if you watched that Ulta haul, then you know I got a couple new palettes, and this is the Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette. And I'm in a makeup group on Facebook. I'm in several actually, but in this one particular one, I had posted a picture of one of my cool tone makeup looks, and I was like, I'm really digging cool tone. What are your guys' favorite cool tone shadows and palettes? And so many people on there commented and told me the Everyday Chic palette. So just opening it, I want to do so many looks using this palette. So pretty. There are gorgeous shimmers and there are really pretty matte shades in here. I've not even swatched any of them. So I'm really gravitating toward this. It's like the prettiest, rosiest gold. It's called Talk of the Town. So I'm actually just going to swatch it quickly on my, oh my god. Shut the front oh! Okay, yeah, so hey, we've got to use that. I think it'd probably be best to use my finger, so I'm actually just gonna dunk in on my pinky. God, Jesus, look how pretty that is. And, oh, Oh, shut up. Shut up. Oh, okay. So I'm kind of placing this over the entire lid. Wow. But focusing it mainly on the center of my lid because that is so pretty. Oh my god. Best glitter I've used in a minute. And it does almost feel like it's very gritty glitter. I definitely watch out if you're using this and make sure you're not getting any in your, oh my god, in your eye, because it does seem to be pretty chunky gritty, but it also almost seems like there's like a gel or something in there to make it adhere better. I'm mainly focusing it on the on the center of my lid, like I said, but I am kind of blending it out a little bit. Oh fuck, that is so pretty. Sorry. Okay, so I'm just gonna be here for like 3 hours packing glitter onto my eyelids because that, oh honey, it's so pretty. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna go back in with a small blending brush and I'm just gonna kind of deepen the inner and outer corners, mostly the outer corner though. Oh, fuck yeah. That is so pretty. Good decision here. Good decision here. I was going to do a completely matte smoky eye, but who are we kidding? I'm also going to take Cheers to You, which is just a pearly, oh, fuck, pearly white out of the Everyday Chic palette, just to add a little bit of a highlight. And I'm also going to pack that on my inner corner. Oh my god. So pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm back to earth. Oh, it's so pretty that, okay, sorry. I'm going to quickly take the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Retractable Gel Eyeliner. Why y'all gonna make shit so complicated? Anywho, this is just a black gel pencil liner, and I'm gonna take this quickly and just very delicately smudge it on my top lash line and on my waterline on the bottom. And then I'm gonna take the teensiest, tiniest, most pitiful little brush you've ever seen. I've had this brush seriously for like 11 years. Can you hear it? It's like not even connected anymore. It's been through some shit, but I'm gonna smudge this on my top lash line, and then I'm gonna go back into Warrior 2 and just take that matte black and this very pitiful little brush, and I'm just gonna kind of give it a little smudge. I don't want to wing the eyeliner. I just want smoky and glitter apparently. So let me do that super quick because I have to get like right up on my mirror and I'm out of frame and you wouldn't be able to see me anyway. Okay. I did end up doing my lower lash line as well, just to, I don't know, just to make it a little more dark, I guess. Now I'm gonna go in with a little, ooh, I cracked the spine. Oh, that was satisfying. Anywho, I'm gonna go in with a little pencil brush and just super lightly with Shawada. Mainly because it's black and I don't want any more fallout because we've already cleaned up. And I'm just really gonna buff that into that eyeliner and smudge everything out. Yes, just like that. I'm feeling it. I feel very glitzy and glittery and girly, and I like it. So once again, not to constantly jump off of the screen, but I'm gonna jump off the screen one last time simply to do mascara and throw on these lashes. I do not remember the style of these lashes, and I'm hoping I can get them apart because I've only worn them once and they were super pretty. Work with me. Okay, Yes, we made it. They're just super pretty, girly, thicky lashes, and I love them. So I'm in it for the drama. I'm gonna apply some coats of Lash Princess, the purple because it's rubbed off, and the waterproof version. Throw on these lashes, and then we'll be back to put on a lip and finish out this super pretty smoky glittery look that I'm in love with. Hang on just a minute. Wow. I always forget. Granted, I've only used them one other time. I always forget how dramatic these lashes are, and I really like them. So there's that, and the only thing left to do is to set our face and do a lip. So obviously there's a lot happening on our eyes. There's glitter, there's black, there's smoky colors, there's a big ass lash happening, and lots of smokiness. So I'm gonna keep my lips pretty neutral, and I'm gonna go in with Wet n Wild's Liquid Catsuit liquid lipstick, and this is in Toffee Talk, which has recently become one of my favorite lip colors. So I maybe just fucked up my whole makeup. Oh no, I fixed it, it's fine. How are we feeling so far? I really like how this look came out. Wow, I look like I have a lion's mane. What happened here was, my hair is sticking to my face because my face is wet. What happened here was I washed my hair last night, and if you don't know, I have micro, can you see them? I have micro bead, micro loop extensions, whatever you want to call them. And last night I washed my hair, and I really did not feel like drying it and waiting on all that shit. So I just put it into 2 French braids, let it out this morning. I did have to fuck with the top of my head a little bit. But overall, I really like how this look came out. It's very dark, it's very grungy, but it's still glam. So I'm here for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, you leave a thumbs up down below, and you can also comment down below and tell me what you think about this look or another look you want to see using the Warrior 2 palette. I saw a lot of people online saying that because this is just a matte 9-pan palette, that there weren't a lot of looks that you could do using it, but I created a very cool tone smoky eye. There are obviously a lot of warm tone shades in here, so if you'd like to see a warm tone look or another look using that palette, you can tell me that down below. And don't worry, because I will be using the Everyday Chic palette in a couple upcoming videos. Just looking at it, I can tell you a bunch of looks I want to create using it. I absolutely love having a bunch of new makeup to play with, and yeah, so leave me a thumbs up down below. You can leave me a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. I link it down below in every video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna stop rambling. I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.